Proteins are an important part of our bodies and the foods we eat. They are like the building blocks that help our bodies grow, develop, and function properly. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are like puzzle pieces that fit together in different ways to form different proteins. Proteins have many important jobs in our bodies. They help us grow taller, build and repair muscles, and support the health of our bones, skin, and hair. Proteins also play a role in our immune system, helping to protect us from getting sick. They even help carry oxygen in our blood and send signals between different parts of our body. We can find proteins in a variety of foods, such as meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and nuts. When we eat these foods, our bodies break down the proteins into amino acids and use them to build and repair the structures in our body. It's important to include protein in our diet because it provides us with the necessary nutrients to grow, stay healthy, and have energy. However, it's also important to eat a balanced diet and not rely solely on protein. We need to eat other nutrients like carbohydrates and fats to have a healthy, well-rounded diet. So, proteins are the building blocks that help our bodies grow and function. They are made up of amino acids and play a crucial role in various bodily processes. By eating foods rich in protein as part of a balanced diet, we ensure that our bodies have the necessary nutrients to thrive. Learn more at Nutrizoma Academy, by Nutrizoma Wellness. And, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos.